Hey, how's it going, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to take you guys out to the water and check out this 2026 Scout 188 Sportfish. Starting on the outside, we have the classic Scout white color. Guys, you need to jump inside this boat and check it out. Let's go. All right, guys, now on board the 188 Scout. So starting up here in the bow, one of the best seats in the house. You'll see that we have the sport package on board this boat, which gives us some of our filler cushions and bolstering options that you'll see up here in the front to add a little bit of comfort. Then, of course, looking right out the bow here, we have a really nice, easy to move or easy to open anchor compartment here. You'll also see that we have telescoping cleats that are really easy to take in and out, and they actually stay up when you need them to. Then, of course, we have our T-top storage here. Which is awesome. You can see this is finished on both sides of this compartment. That is huge. None of your kids are going to be ripping their fingers off because of all the fiberglass shards or anything like that. So really well finished all the way through, and that's something you're going to see with Scout. It's just absolutely fantastic construction all the way through. Then to go with our sport package, we also do have our bimini top here. So it gives us just enough shade to hang out underneath the center console here and to be able to navigate around. Then you'll see right here on the dash and also off to the side, so we have a Fusion Bluetooth radio matched up with 4 JL Audio speakers. So not only do you have a premium ride quality on this boat, but also sound quality. Then you'll see we have all digital switching as far as all the toggle switches go, so super easy to use. Then we even have some data stuff from Yamaha to see what's going on with the engine, so that way you can look over fuel and all that stuff. Then just talk about some of the convenient features on this boat. Everything is so easy to reach. You have really easy to reach grab handle right here, so if you're going through some rougher waters, it's nice and easy to handle. We also have a battery switch right here, so you do not forget it. And then that brings me to one of my favorite features on this boat, which is the trim tab system. So for a small boat like this, it's unbelievable to have it, especially if you have a lot of people running around to go to different spots of the boat for fishing. And then we even have an LED indicator right down here by the steering wheel, so it's super easy to see that stuff. Then, talking about fishing a little bit more, right back here on our port side, we have a very easy to open and easy to grab live well compartment. And then you'll see that that just drains right outside the boat, not into the hull. So you don't have to worry about making the inside of the boat stinky. And then off the back, of course, we have a boarding ladder, 2 swim platforms for ease of jumping in and out of the water. And then, of course, having a 115 horsepower Yamaha makes this thing ready for any task, whether you're going out there just to tear up the water or tear up some fish. So anyways, guys, come on out and see us on this boat. Again, this is the Scout 188, so come on out and see it. And thank you guys for watching.